In this video, we shall have a look at PowerPoint, in particular, custom animation of a slide. So, here we have actually a 5-slide presentation, but we're going to focus on slide number 4, Care for Your Dog. I suppose custom animation, in this sense, just makes what could be quite a simple, rather boring slide come to life. And so we have, effectively, 5 elements of caring for your dog. Of course, we could have them as 5 simple bullet points, but that's quite simple and not very interesting. So let's see what I've done. I've created an oval and put 5 separate ovals surrounding. Let's look at the first one. You'll see there's an object which is actually an oval, but inside it there's actually a text box. And so it continues. An oval filled in this case yellow, and a text box. And so there's on this particular slide 10 objects I want to animate, 5 ovals, and inside there's the 5 text boxes. What's going to happen is we're going to have an animation called spin for the oval, but appearing for the text box, and not just that. The oval will spin upon click, but the text box will appear straight after the oval has stopped spinning. So first of all, let's see how this looks when we've finished. Run the slideshow, and the diagram is shown. When I left click, spin, and straight afterwards, text box appears. Spin, text box appears. Spin, then text appears. Click on spin, text appears. Click to spin, and the text box then appears. So you've seen how the actual animation works. So we're going to go back to slide 4 again, and this is all done on the animation tab. So the animation tab, and then in particular make sure you've clicked on the animation pane, and you'll see how this has all worked. This is the final entry, if you like, but I'm going to delete all this so we can actually see how I did this from scratch. So first of all, click on an object, the first oval object. We're going to go down in the animation area, and I'm going to choose emphasis spin. Now number 1 is on click emphasis spin. I'm going to click inside now to get the second object, which is the text box, and that's going to simply be appear. So that comes as animation 2, but I don't want the click. I want it to appear after previous, indeed no seconds after the previous one. So I'm going to do the drop down arrow, effect options, or start after previous. We're going to go start after previous. It changes to a timer. As you'll see, the timing defaults to 0 seconds. I could of course change that if I so wished. I'll leave it as 0. And so I'm going to continue. Select the oval, spin, text box, appear. Change the text box to after previous and continue. I'm just going to whip through these now so you can see it's a very repetitive process, but it does work quite well. Text box, appear. Each time I'm choosing the drop down arrow after previous. You've got a bit of a rhythm there. Mouse after previous, mouse after previous, mouse click after previous. So we're nearly there now. 2 more to do. Spin. Text box appear. Again, we change this to be after previous, and the final oval is going to be as usual, spin, and text box appear, which will change to be start after previous. There we have it. So just to run through once again our animated slide, when you click, the oval spins, text box appears straight away. Just means that you can guide through the slides, speaking as you wish about each particular topic when you come to it.